Hey everyone, today I'll show you a simple but powerful trick to hide folders on Windows using CMD and explain how secure it really is. But before we dive in, I'll be really appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button. It really means a lot to support me. Alright, if you simply right click on any folder and hit the properties, and from the general, you can check the hidden and we can hide folders. But if someone check this one as mine, check the hidden items here, can find about your folder. But there's a simple and more trickier way to hide your folders many users cannot find about. For this one, we need to go to CMD. We can go to start, type CMD, press enter, or we can press Windows plus R, then we can type CMD, press enter, and CMD pops up. Or there is another way. We can go to any direction, we can type CMD, press enter, and CMD pops up. All right, anyway, I have a folder here, it's completely empty, name is 123, doesn't matter really. I want to hide this one. I just go to CMD. All right, CMD pops up. Let me zoom in. All right, the command is here. We need to type attrib spacebar plus H plus S and name of folder. All right. For this case, if I want to hide this one, I just need to go to the direction of this file, this folder. This folder is on desktop. So I need to type CD. CD means change direction. Hit the spacebar, and the direction that I want to go is desktop. All right. And as you can see, I'm on the desktop direction. So I want to hide this folder in the desktop, and I'm in the direction. So I need to type the command attrib plus H plus S, and the name of the folder is 123, and press enter. If I hit the refresh, as you can see, the folder is hidden. And the more interesting part is that if we go to view, show, you can see the hidden items is checked. And if somebody even check the hidden items, cannot find about. So how does it work? And this command, I will explain this one. So simply plus H makes the folder hidden, plus H hidden, and plus S, this one, marks it as a system folder. This means your folder won't show up in File Explorer, even if someone enables show hidden files, as we saw. So why? Because system files are still hidden by default. So how secure is this? If someone doesn't know the folder name and isn't familiar with CMD or Windows system settings, they most likely won't find it. But a tech-savvy user can still reveal it by doing this. We can go to control panel. Let me select the large icons. If someone goes to File Explorer options, then view, and here uncheck this one, hide protected operating system files. If we uncheck this one, we are facing a warning. Then click on, let me do this, click on yes, apply, and OK. As you can see, some Windows files, system files, and even the folder that we hidden are showing up. So this is a way to reveal the hidden system folders. Let me check this one again, and here. This trick was for those who are forgetting the folder name to show up their folders again. But if you know your folder name and you want to reveal it again, just simply go to direction. I'm on desktop, my folder is here, and it's just hidden. Just type ATTRIB -H -S and the name of the folder 1 2 3 and press enter, and the folder is showing up. So if you like this trick, I'll be appreciated if you hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll be really appreciated. As you can see, I'm kind of new to YouTube and I really need your support. Thank you for watching.